to visit my uncle, that I call Nunky, and making a salad. We're starting with asparagus, which we're going to cook. And you know about the idea of where they snap is where you can use it. In fact, this one's bendy. Roger, show me.
Cut it.
But Roger maintains you end up wasting some that you could perhaps use.
It's all usable.
All usable. What? Not just in a soup?
No.
Okay. So we will be cooking these off as part of the salad. Lovely. This is going in the pan as well as another ingredient. Got my bowls from Dunelm, and I'm going to add in some salad and some blushed tomatoes to start with. And I'm going to add some new potatoes, the asparagus, and some of the corn cob. And this is hot baked salmon. It is not hot to touch, it's cold, but the hot baked wording implies it's been smoked. So it's not the same as smoked salmon, but it's got a wonderful smoky flavour. And we're going to break that up, and then I'm going to make a dressing. I wonder if you can get this in all countries. It's a delicacy here, and to sneak a bit. Lovely flavour. A little bit like smoked mackerel. So we're just going to break it into large flaked pieces. Roger's just washed his hands for the purpose. Yum yum. And I know that Nunky loves fish. That's a good thing. Thank you very much. I'm going to start to layer this in. The dressing is going to be a mixture of mayonnaise, seasoning and horseradish sauce. We could even add lemon juice as well if we want. Horseradish goes really well with smoked fish. Normally it would be with roast beef. A friend of mine worked in a restaurant and brought up the horseradish sauce for the mackerel and got told by the customer, "Are you stupid? I'm not having beef." Yeah, it goes really well with smoked fish. So I've layered up the asparagus, the sweet corn that I cut off, more of the sun blushed tomatoes, some potatoes. I'm going to add some sauce, and what I've also got is a plate of bread and buppy to go with it. Let's see it finished off in just a second. Finally, a bit of garnish. That's paprika. Cayenne might smother the taste a bit. Lovely. Finally, a little bit of lettuce. And because Uncle's lettuce, a little bit of lemon, because Uncle lives quite far away, we will chill these in the car so that it's all perfectly safe and good to eat. I'm on my way.